Hi everyone, so welcome to today's session. So today we are having one announcement for you. I hope this will be helpful for all of us, all of you, whoever is trying to study on SAP or study on SAP MM, or let's say supply chain side, or let's say in our EWM side. So this is an announcement for all of you. So I have created, or we have created, a new website, or we are in a process of creating a new website for all of you. Okay, so why we are creating a website, or what will be the benefit of the website, how we can use that website, say, for benefit of us. Okay, so let me just tell you how you can go to the website, and how you can find um, the website. So first let me tell you that one. So all of you might have already joined one WhatsApp channel that is called Helping Hands class, right? So why we have created that one? So that is basically our new website. So that is what we are developing. So it is under process. So that's why I was not able to create any content over here. So I was not able to um, let's say reply you on time, or let's say there is some things are there, so I was not able to reply you back or connect with you, all of you guys. So we are just in process of developing this website. So this website is not completely done. We would need a lot of suggestions from you, what kind of content you need, what kind of things you need in the website. So we will be needing the um, like the suggestions from you, which we will be taking into consideration, and we will be having those kind of things in the website, so that it will be helpful for you, and as well as the new learners who are going to learn, or the existing learners, or if you are going to start your career, or whatever, it may help you, might help you through the website. Okay. So we have other things also in plan, but one by one we will be going forward, or moving forward. We will be moving forward. So first, let me tell you how you can access the website. So for you can here you can see there is a link in our YouTube channel. There is a link. I believe some people have already seen this website, so you might have checked it. But if you have not checked it, you can check it from here. So this is helpinghandsclass.co.in. Okay, so this is the link, or you can directly click on here and you can go to the website. So this is basically our website looks like. Okay, this is the home page. So nothing much in the home page. So what will be helpful for you, if you want to ask anything, or if you want to ask something, you can just write down your name, email, and message, whatever things you want to ask, you just ping over here, then we will be able to reply you back. Okay. So this is basically the overview of the website. I'm just giving you an overview of the website, but definitely I will be needing your positive suggestions, or whatever suggestions you have. I will be needing that one to develop this, so that every one of us who are in SAP, who want to learn it SAP, and it is not limited to SAP MM or WM or anything. It will be covering total SAP. So we will be trying to how to get some topics, or how to get some other consultant from other areas to help us to develop, or let's say we will collaborate with some other consultant to write some blogs on particular some topics. So different module, we will try that one, but it is the starting point. So starting, we will be start with the like whatever existing I know, what I can deliver to you, that I can right now I can just assure you, or I can just let you know that these kind of things will be delivered over here. But time to time we will take help from other people or other let's say module people also to develop this group so that let's say multiple module also people also they will take get help. Okay, so next one is our courses. So nothing right now, no courses. We are not having any courses, but later on might be we will upload some of the courses. Okay. So right now there are no courses are there. So everything, whatever thing you will be finding over here, it will be totally free. Okay. Might be in some time we might be upload some let's say some dumps related to our SAP MM or SAP EWM or Ariba. I have that dump, so I'll be sharing it over here. So any kind of documentation will be sharing on this platform only. Okay. So you need any kind of information, you will be get on a document form, you will be finding it over here. So that is why. So you many guys are having many questions. So many people are asking many question about the documentation. So we want to study about the MM and we need a proper note or let's say you want to have a documentation of let's say any kind of your resume or let's say you want to have a documentation of a specific topic. So everything you will be finding any document for your reading purpose you will be find over here for your reference for your reading purpose you will be finding it over here. Okay, so next tab is YouTube. So directly if you click on here, directly you can navigate to the our YouTube channel. There you can find whatever let's say videos are there. You can you can navigate here and you can find all of the let's say YouTube channel. You can communicate to here. Next one is our blogs. Okay, so you can go to blogs. So right now we are having a couple of blogs. Just we are starting this website. Okay, so that's why I need your suggestion. What kind of blog you want to read, what kind of documentation you need, so that if it is feasible, so you we will be posting it over here. So basically we are having let's say these three four topics we have just started. Okay, so if you are going to create a resume for a fresher or let's say how you can start learning your SAP, how you can go for any kind of let's say interview preparation, how you can go for let's say any kind of let's say scope of SAP MM. So these are couple of topics we have just started it. Okay, so coming on a daily basis we will be uploading some of the blogs, we will be writing some of the blogs and we will be giving you some of the topics. Okay, so let's say topic wise we can upload the interview questions or let's say topic wise we will be uploading the notes. Okay, let's say topic wise we will be uploading the any let's say errors you are facing, any issues you are facing. So those kind of things we will be either we will be uploading or any kind of existing things are there, let's say SAP blogs are there, we will be writing those blogs here so that you don't have to go to multiple sites, so directly you can get the information from here. Okay, so this is blog. So this is just starting, so I will need your suggestion what kind of topics you want to learn or you want to read from here or you want to get some documentation on it. So just let me know in the comments in WhatsApp. Okay, and in here also if you want to give some suggestion here also you can go to homepage and you can enter this form and you can write whatever suggestion you have, you can write it down over here. Okay, and next one is WhatsApp. So you can just click and you can join this WhatsApp channel. Okay. The previous WhatsApp channel, which is our based on our YouTube channel. So that WhatsApp group is full. So you can try that link, but most of the time you will be not able to join because of WhatsApp limitation. There is thanks to all of you. It's more than 1,000 or 1,025, 26 people's group. Okay, and this group is just starting, so you can also join here. So new persons, new people, you can join it from here. Okay, same link you can find it in the let's say in the YouTube's also, YouTube video description also, you can find the same link, this new group link you will be finding over there. So you can join from there also. So this is the new group. You can join there and you can ask question, you can share any information you want to, you can do whatever you like related to SAP. You can just join this and you can get information, share information. You can just you can get some information, let's say job related information, let's say any topic related information, or you are facing any challenges. So those kind of things you will be getting to know. Okay. And last one. So last one is forum. So right now we are developing it. Okay. So right now we are developing it. I'm not sure. Please comment if you are able to comment here anything, or you can ask anything in the forum. So just try this thing. Okay. I'm not sure because I'm developing, so I'm not sure if it is fully functional or not. So I believe this is specifically we have created for discussion. Okay. So any question, let's say WhatsApp, you are asking question, same question maybe 5 persons, or let's say 10 persons or 100 persons are asking the same question for time to time. And let's say time to time they are asking the same question, and people are repeating themselves. So don't have to repeat those kind of things. So directly in the discussion forum, we will be uploading those common topics. So here you can discuss. Let's say you can post your queries, you can post your questions. So we will develop in some time, let's say in 1 month or sometime timeline. I'm not sure about it. So you can I'm developing it. So right now, if you have any question, you can directly ask in the WhatsApp group. Here you can just click on WhatsApp and you can ask over there. And from time basis, we will be developing so that from here itself you can interact, you can ask your question, you can get your answer from here, from blogs, from forum, you can get your answer. So we will be developing that thing. Okay. So that is about the announcement. So this is for all of you. So you can come here. So right now I know there are not much topics are there, but still if you want to get a resume, you want to check a resume, how to write a resume, what are the points of resume, or let's say you want to um, any interview preparation topic you want to check out, so you can come here and you can check out. So time to time we'll be uploading here and you can have a look, you can just keep an eye on this. So definitely in coming days, coming time, it will be helpful for you. Okay. So that's it for today. So not much on the SAP topic, but here this is a development from our side to all of you guys. So please mention your suggestions, what kind of topics we should include over here, what kind of blogs you want to read from here, what kind of documentation you need. So all of the things will be posted here. So all existing document which are shattered over here and there, let's say some documents were there in WhatsApp, some documents were there in Telegram, some documents were there in let's say in our uh, LinkedIn profile. So everything will be put over here and you will be getting the like whatever documents are already existing, you can get an overview of that documents directly here. Okay, it will take some time, so be patient. You can just take help of this website as you like. So as this develop, it will also help all of you guys. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll meet up again on next class. There will be some SAP subjective classes will be there. So stay tuned for that one. Till then, bye bye and take care.